Success in trading is about your ability to solve problems. Essentially, it becomes a problem and solution kind of situations. When you have a problem in trading, then you find a solution one, solution two, solution three. Try out solution one, doesn't work. You try out two, you try out three solutions and see which one works best out of the three solutions. And then you solve one trading problem, then you have another trading problem. And this is how uh, traders who are successful have over a period of time created a bulletproof kind of a methodology. And essentially, it's this problem solving skill. So if you can think about the problem which you're having in your trading, then it's much easier to approach that problem. A lot of time when I talk to traders who are beginner traders and all, they do not have a clear understanding or they cannot articulate what is the problem in their trading. So it's like you go to a restaurant and ask somebody what should you order. He says anything, but there is no anything in a restaurant. Similarly, your ability to specifically specify a problem and not saying everything is a problem in trading doesn't help. Your problem will be either selecting the right kind of a stock, or it can be the selecting the right entry or timing, or it can be a size, or it can be exit, or it can be stops, or it can be your understanding of market timing. So those are all problems, and if you can specify a problem, it's much easier to find a solution. If problem is stock selection, then you have possible A, B, C, D, E options, and you can try out those options, right? If your problem is stops, there are many ways in which you can approach that problem, or if your problem is size. So try and think in terms of problem and solutions, in terms of like deciding, look, and this is the problem. So uh, I want to see what kind of problems you are having in trading, because on the member site, I have this almost a weekly kind of a meeting where we discuss what are your trading problems. And then uh, there are many traders who have a lot of experience and they can help people with problems to find solutions. So similarly, leave your problems or what problems you are facing or what is it that is stopping you from making progress in trading in the comments below, and I look at those comments and I will make a video answering some of the common problems which traders have and what are the possible solutions which you can try in order to overcome those problems. So look into the comments and put your problems in the comment, and next week I'll make a video talking about problems, common problems which you are facing and how to overcome them.